Aren't you sick and tired of getting to the end of the year and not reaching your goals and watching others that do? Sounds familiar? Yeah, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will have all the tools to make 2025 your year and to become an it girl. If you're ready to finally put your dreams into focus and step into 2025 as that girl, then keep watching. I'm breaking down exactly how to create the most perfect aesthetic vision or prayer board that will help you manifest or bless the life that you deserve and want. Okay guys, we are back. It's a little bit later in the day, but I decided to do a little segment on becoming an it girl, doing a vision board, a prayer board, whatever you guys want to call it. It's pretty much just, I'll pop up the definition somewhere around here. But it's pretty much like a collection of images, a collage essentially of your goals and wishes for the upcoming year. So I wanted to show you guys how I make mine specifically to be the lock screen for my computer and for my phone as well. Pop up an image on the screen. I'll do that too if it makes my life easier during filming, during editing. But I'm pretty much gonna show you guys how to do this. And the reason why, number one, I've never done a vision board, a prayer board, something like this in my life. But I have seen what it has done for people, but I do want to have a physical representation, whether it's on my phone, whether it's printed out, of the things that I want to accomplish in the year of 2025. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I'm going to screen record my Mac and kind of adjust it, add things, tweak things, show you how I find the pictures that I add to it as well. But I love you guys so much, and let's get right into this vision board situation. Okay, so we have Canva up, and as you can see, there are so many templates to do the vision board. If this were me starting all over, I'm kind of showing you, not in the most organized, concise way, but I'm gonna show you more or less how to do one. So you kind of want to have a list of what are the things you actually do want to achieve. So for example, for me, a big thing was traveling more, focusing on my content creation, growing my platform to 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 subscribers, even 100,000 subscribers, you know, Lord willing. So just things like that. Make a list and have those goals set on that list, and then based on that list, try and find pictures. The resources I only use 2 resources, really one more than the other, and that was Pinterest and Google Images. I use Canva, me personally, because it is a free software, so I like using the stuff for the free ski. So we have Canva set up right here. Now, I already have some of the pictures I want to use up, so I'll kind of show you guys what my goals were, what I want to accomplish. So the number one big thing for me is just, you know, I really want to travel more in the year 2025. So I'm gonna start putting this stuff up. Now, you can adjust and make everything the size that you want to make it. That's the beauty about this. If you want everything to be the same size, you can do it like that too. Just kind of add stuff as we go. Another big thing for me too is making my credit score go up, increasing my credit score. Goal is to definitely work on my credit, so I'm gonna add that up here. I saw this on Pinterest and I was like, yes, you're speaking my language. I think for me though, I think I want to use somebody else's template. I can put one of these free options like that. And the great thing about this is to upload the pictures you already have, you can just plop and drop. Plop and drop, that's what we call it. So definitely want me a little Ford Bronco or a bigger car. I'm gonna just put the Bronco up there. If we get a Porsche, if we get a Maserati, no, I'm kidding. But yeah, we're gonna put her there. If we need to grab more images, we're gonna have Pinterest open as well to do that. But yeah, just plop and drop photos where you see fit. Me trying to hit 100K and that's on period. Okay, I'm trying to be skinny. Like the Learman twins. So we're almost done with this first row, but as you guys can see, the goals are pretty, I think they're pretty attainable. I would love to know in the comments down below, what are some of your 2025 goals? Another one of my goals is to definitely get back into fitness, get back into the gym, become the best version of myself, because right now, I'm gonna be honest, this gotta go. The gut needs to be flat and the butt needs to be fat. So we need to be back in the gym and out of the fridge. Another goal is to definitely get into reading more. That is definitely a goal for sure. Just trying to see where I can place this. If I could ever get on a brand trip, oh my gosh, we're gonna put her there because you just never know. And I already have an apartment, thank you to the Lord, my Lord and Savior. But you know, if we can get in a bigger space, I would love that too. That is a goal. So as you guys can see, I'm definitely in need of some more pictures, but that is okay. We are gonna get to grabbing some more pictures on Pinterest. So we've got that first row pretty much so done. Now we've got a few more rows. I wanted to do one with more pictures just to show you guys what it could be like. So let's go to Pinterest. So we can look up vision board and it'll show what other people have put on their vision boards, inspiring quotes and different things. So definitely love that. I know another one of my goals is to definitely form more intentional friendships, and I didn't really put that on my sample vision board, and that's honestly because I didn't have space on it. On this one I do, so I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna keep putting travel because your girl is trying to travel her little heart out. Let's see, another gym photo. Really trying to be intentional about that. I think another thing is self-care, and I think one of the aspects of self-care for me that I feel like I lack on is treating myself, spoiling myself, whether that's buying new clothes, go getting a facial. So I'm gonna add aspects of self-care as well because that is something I need to work on. So we're gonna add her on here as well. Let's see, where did you go? There we go. Let's just scroll through and see what everybody else is putting on theirs. And in the meantime, we can also add these inspirational quotes like health. That's definitely cute. I'm in my glow up era. Gratitude. 2025 vision board. That seems pretty self-explanatory. Oh my gosh. So I love this because I have not gone to the beach in like a year and some change, and I live in California. That's literally insane. I should be at the gym. I should definitely be at the gym. I'm definitely gonna do this because I do want to get into reading my Bible more. And the certificate, that one I'm gonna keep a secret because there is something I do plan on doing, and that I'm kind of waiting to see what happens with that. I'll talk to you guys more in future video regarding what I mean by that. We'll touch back on that. I love this consistency, very cute. Your year, because yes girl, it's definitely gonna be our year. So a lot of apartments, a lot of shopping. Let's see, another goal of mine, ooh, definitely getting up earlier. I'm actually gonna download that because I think that would be great. And the fruits, love that. Ooh, the skincare, we could do that, a part of the self-care. I also am gonna download these books because I do want to read more. That's another thing too. Definitely want to get more books. Let's see, I'm sorry if there's a glare in my glasses, by the way, bear with me. I love the God got me. We're definitely gonna save that. Do it for your future self. I definitely want to save more, so I'm probably gonna put more images of money, not because I love money, because the love of money is the root of all evil. So no, it's not for that. It's more so I want to start investing, creating my emergency fund, paying off debt, things of that nature. So if you see money on my vision board, that's what that means. So don't get it twisted. Oh, I love this one with the facial mask. I already cook a lot at home, but I'm still gonna put this because I do want to cook healthier. So I guess that's a good goal to have. But if I were doing this outside of the video, I would definitely make a photo album or a file on your computer and just have that all ready to go. If you don't, that's completely okay too. We're gonna save, where is my mouse? We're gonna save the water bottle picture because I do not drink enough water. Definitely not. Oh, perfect. This one's for savings. Yeah, we're saving her for the savings. Let's see. I definitely want to become a Pilates princess in 2025, and there's a Pilates studio near my house, so I definitely want to get into that too. I'll put another YouTube plaque because why not? That's the thing. You can put multiple images that correspond to one goal. Like this one for the gym, I'm definitely gonna put that too because I want to get into weightlifting more, not as a professional, but for the gym. I would love to go to like a concert or something. Let's download her. I'm definitely trying to be skinny. I would love to go on a skiing trip. It's actually really cute. Let's get into running. I don't know. I'm gonna take what I have and let's see what we add to here. Pretty much pick the images from today. Yeah, so this should be everything from today and it'll pop up on the side like so. So that's a lot. I definitely put a lot of pictures. So let's see with that. Consistency can go right there. We've got the gym. That's the beauty. That's the beauty of it. You know, that's the thing. Just play around with it. See what works. See what doesn't work. Oh, that works perfect actually. So we've got health. We've got consistency. So that's a Lottie's one. Where can I put her? I love it. I love it. I love this. I think this is coming out way better than my first one did. I freaking love that. We're gonna put the weight rack right there. I think this cooking one will be super fire right here. And then put the cart right there. That's perfect. Sometimes you gotta move things around. I think we're gonna keep looking on Pinterest. Let's see what we can find. This isn't really a goal of mine. I kind of just want to dice it.
Oh, that's nuts, He's feeding the rape, all his hand on my coochie. He touching a million coochie. Doing good, jump Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you don't never wanna lose me. 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 Tell me you don't never. Keep me a Haitian, I love me a soul. When I get round, I might act like a hoe. When I get round, I might act like a hoe. He wanna split, I feel like Amber Rose. Make a touch your toes. Hit from the back, I won't move. Nigga, I love when you choke. I'm so conceited. Got a real nigga, don't need no leeches. And I got him where I want him. On his face, now I'm leaving him speechless. So you can call if you need me. Tell me you ain't never ever leaving. When I suck it, I look in your eyes. You better do like you mean it.
I'm sliding the look, I went in on a coochie. Sticky, no biggie and juicy. Thinking she dreaming, she figure it's Lucy. We filming, no flicking, no Cupid. Twist on her like she fidget the Ruby. As soon as we pull up, we hit the jacuzzi. So we take this to the button her back. Ayy, living that shit, no rubber, yeah. Like butter, I'm coming right back. Ayy, ayy. Ain't even whipping, I ain't coming no hoop. The whole eyes don't proud, no truth. She on my top, made a mess, no truth. Tryna earn, keep, had a flex on her. Don't even think about the rest, my She ain't on the break, she the best on her. Grab my keys.
He's feeding the rape, all his hand on my coochie. He touching a million coochie. Doing good, jump Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we f***ing, it feel like a movie. Rock ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you don't never wanna lose me.
Okay, girls and boys, so now that we have finished the vision board, I do want to give you guys some tips and tricks to also, outside of doing the vision board, to just prepare yourself the best way that you can for the upcoming year. For me, I love listening to podcasts. Anything that is going to motivate you. I am a big podcast girl. I love to throw one on when I'm driving, when I'm at the gym. I love to sit and listen to a good podcast. Another thing too, it's kind of goes hand in hand with the podcast, is watching maybe YouTube content or watching shows or movies that are going to help you reach your goals, something that's going to educate you. There are so many documentaries out, there are so many videos and tools. I mean, there are so many YouTubers on YouTube. So whatever goal you are trying to hit, I'm sure there are plenty of YouTubers that are going to help you reach those goals. Whether your goals range from fitness, learning how to do your makeup, moving into a bigger apartment, maybe getting into a housing lottery. There are so many things. I know that the TikTok ban, and especially with TikTok leaving, I know a lot of people learned a lot from that app. I don't want you guys to feel discouraged because we have YouTube, and YouTube has been such an outlet for quite some time. So don't be discouraged. There are so many other ways to manifest or pray for your dream life, whatever you believe in. Another thing too is reading. Read some books. Read a damn book. Read a self-help book. just be mindful of the things that you're watching, the things that you're hearing, because in a way, I know there's that saying, you are what you eat. I think it should be revised to you are what you view. We are easily influenced by influencers. You are also easily influenced by not so great people on here. Don't always stay on the shade room. Don't always stay on the gossip channels, you know? Watch stuff, listen to stuff, view stuff that is gonna benefit you, that's gonna help you only escalate your goals even further. So those are just a few things that I recommend, but that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. I'm so sorry for the glare. I just need the blue light glasses because I will get a headache. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna see you guys next week. Next week is 2025. We are going all in, but I love y'all down. Let me know what videos you guys want to see from me next, and I will see you guys in 2025, and let's get our best selves kickstarted. Mwah.